Okay, folks, that's where the new house is going to be. Got part of the pad built. Got a little bit more dirt leveling to do. um, that will be later today. We're going to level that out and reshoot it and see if we've got it ready for forms. And hopefully put forms up in the next few days. Here comes Sherry. She probably coming home for lunch. She works up there. Can't wait until we have that view every morning on our porch. Of course, it'll be bigger. We're going to enlarge the pond. We're going to dig it out some more.
Hey guys, welcome back to RNS Life After 55. Sorry it's been so long since we posted anything, but we have been so busy and trying to get stuff done, and we just haven't taken time to pick up the camera and do this. Filming on YouTube is just a hobby for us. It's something we enjoy doing to help other people out, so we just don't always have time to do it. So, but I'm going to show you what we're doing today and kind of maybe catch you up on where we're at so far. Okay, so it's been 2 weeks now staying in our cargo trailer. You guys, it's an awesome experience. We are loving it. It's like camping all the time, and who doesn't like to camp, right? So we're staying in here, but I had to downsize today because it doesn't take long before you figure out what you do need and what you don't need. But to downsize some of this stuff, I might need it later, so I was going to put it in the cargo trailer, the storage trailer. Well, we have to clean it out and get Rusty's tools reorganized because it hasn't been cleaned out since we built this cargo trailer. So we're working on that today. So you see different piles of stuff over there. We're trying to get that done. My mom moved her trailer over here because they want to come over and stay camp with us some of the times. Of course, here's our I think I've already shown this maybe, but our little fire ring and our chairs that we have set up out here, and we have our table. And don't want to swing you around too fast. Over here is they've gotten some more dirt moved for the house, and now they're getting ready to transit it again, and they've got the little bitty tractor because they're just going to have to probably move a little bit more dirt here and there and get the rough spots out of it, and then we'll be ready to start forming that. And I may have already told you guys, but our son is the one doing the work for us because he has a construction company, but he's doing it for us on a very, very cheap rate since we're his parents. Therefore, we get to get squeezed in when he has time. So the build's not going to happen real fast for us. Not like we wish it would, but it's okay. He's doing us a huge favor and saving us a ton of money. But there's Rusty going back to work over here. And that's what we've been working on. So I want to get something posted and let you guys kind of know what's going on. Keep you updated as best we can. We've had 2 different cookouts out here with the kids. Everybody likes to come down here. They'll call us at night. Hey, you have Dad light a fire. Because of Rusty's throat cancer, though, he can't sit near the fire because the smoke does aggravating. Plus, he's not supposed to be around it anyways. So, but he will build it and get it started for the kids. So we've cooked out. Oh, and the kids got me this for Christmas and gave it to me early. The little camping grill thing. It's really cool. It came from Cabela's. So if you're looking for something like that, I highly recommend it. We've used the heck out of it already. And so it was one of our Christmas presents. So we really appreciated that. And I don't think there's much more. Oh, we ordered our gas fireplace with the the fake log fireplace with for propane. We've ordered that from Home Depot, and we got that in. We have a clawfoot refurbished 1916 clawfoot tub coming today. The guy's going to deliver it for us from Ada, which is about an hour and a half from here. $25 to deliver it. What a gem he is. So I thought that was more than fair. I'll probably give him a little extra probably. But so we have that coming today, and we have paid for all of the steel for our house and the sheet metal for our house. We've been buying a lot of stuff. I think we have all the sinks we need now. We have all of our flooring. We have all of the faucets. We have, trying to think. There's a huge pile of stuff we have. Oh, we went and ordered and paid for all of our doors and windows. I think it was 12 doors and 8 windows ended up being. We have all that taken care of, and those are supposed to deliver this week. And Rusty, anything else I'm not thinking of that we've ordered and waiting for? Not that he can think of. I don't know if you could hear him or not. So yeah, we're getting there. We're getting a lot of our stuff purchased, and we did get 2 shipping containers. They're out there, and that's where we're storing all this stuff. We've got some of our personal stuff moved from the big house into it already, so our son can have his own house that he's now owns. And our other son, we have 2 boys. One of them bought the house, one's going to build our house, so it's hard to keep them straight. But we put some of our stuff out there because he's going to be doing, this house was built in 2000, so he wants to do some renovations to it. I don't blame him. It's probably time to do some renovations to it. So, but he needed our stuff out to do that. He didn't kick us out either, guys. By the way, we still have the master bedroom over there, and we can stay there anytime we want to. We just prefer to stay over here. Oh, you guys want to take a sneak peek real quick? Let me show you. So I finally got the shower curtain hung, and it's that kind of track you just mount to the ceiling. And in a low ceiling like we have in the trailer, it worked perfect. And guys, it glides really, let me see if I can get it better. It glides really, really easily. So we are loving that. We have awesome shower pressure. If you don't have a rain shower, get one. I highly recommend it. It's my first one. I love it. We also bought a new commode, and it is the Threadford, I believe is what it is. Threadford. I'll try to post that on here so you guys will know, but we are loving that. It's higher, and it's a cassette toilet. It's higher, and it has automatic flush, so we love it. Love it. And but here's kind of the setup we have going on. Our drinking water there with our little electric thing. We have a Christmas tree, of course, and I have a sink full of dirty dishes. There's our ice maker, and it more than keeps up with everything we're doing. I've been working on my computer today. And we have the fireplace kind of set up for Christmas. And we have some more Christmas decorations up there. And of course, our Christmas countdown calendar. So our closet's working out really well. But I did downsize today. I did some reorganizing and kind of downsize some stuff today. There's our sitting area. And looky here, guys. These shelves are like $12 a piece, I think. Something like, I can't remember if I paid $25 for one or $25 for 2 of them. But those are so awesome. I have been able to get so much stuff in there now because of those shelves. So, highly recommend those. Loving the induction stove. Loving the toaster oven. And loving the microwave. But, oh, and I have my Ninja Foodie here too. I do a lot of cooking in that. In fact, I'm making a roast in that today. So, which I need to go get that started or it never will be done. Okay, guys, that's where we're at right now. And I'm going to try to get some more on this video. And then I'm going to try to get something posted this evening so you guys will be able to see what's going on with this. People are asking, so I need to get something up and posted. All right, guys, we'll talk to you in a bit. Okay, so we've got a little bit done today. Actually, the white trailer is all organized now, pretty much. I'm starting a roast for dinner in our foodie here. And Rusty's done all he can do for the day. He's not feeling good now. And it's windy out there, and it really bothers him. So he feels like he's got a noose around his neck right now. So I am probably going to close this video out. Our tub is coming anytime. It should be here any minute. And so if I get any filming of that, I'll just put it at the end of this. But until then, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.